While listening to music on your Sony WF-1000XM5 earbuds, whenever you talk, the music keeps pausing. Oh no, not again. So that you don't have to take off the buds every time. But if you find this feature annoying or useful, we're gonna show you how to turn it on or off. Now, to enable or disable it, first you need the Sony Headphones Connect app, which you can install either from App Store or Play Store. After that, just go ahead, set up and connect the app with your earbuds on your device. Open the app, connect to your earbuds, and then enter the Sound tab. And from here, if you want to disable it, just toggle off Speak to Chat option. And that's it. Your music and audio will not be interrupted even if you're in a conversation. And whenever you want to enable it, just come back in the same section, turn it on, and from this full icon, you can also customize your setting as well. And this is how you can turn on and off Speak to Chat on your Sony WF-1000XM5. Thanks for watching.